So this is the Husqvarna piping foot for the S100, and you'll see most piping feet again are very similar to each other. The distinctive difference between this and the ordinary foot is that it has a recess for the piping cord to sit in, so that it stays nice and straight while you're sewing. So you just pop it on, slide it in, put your foot down, press your button in, foot's on. You can see that. You need to put your foot down when you start sewing. So this is the piping cord and bias binding, and we are going to put the top on and the bottom on. And keep that nice and even all the way down. So that's the ones that you follow. This is your cord. So it's always best to, when you lift it up, put your fabric in and you're putting your cord underneath. Just pop the cord down the recess. Yeah, there you go. We can hear it click. You know then that the cord is in the recess. The blade will trim off what we don't want. This is your guide, your seam guide of 5/8 of the seam. So the only thing you need to really concentrate on is keeping all your fabrics together, and your cord will stay in the recess. It won't move while sewing. Piping is a nice addition to cushion covers, sleeve applications around the edge of sleeves and collars. You can put it into seams to make a nice decorative seam edge. In fact, it's got multiple uses really, the piping foot. I just cut that off. You can trim what you don't want. And there we have a perfect little piping in a cushion, on a garment.